My video is about removing the online scam that comes from the website windowsafe.com. Windowsafe.com is a deceptive and malicious website. Currently, it targets Google Chrome and it may also target other browsers. The website indicates that your subscription to some popular security software has expired and that you need to pay money to renew it. In reality, these pop-ups are not related to this software that is mentioned. When you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may be forwarded to some other malicious websites that promote a totally different software. So if you see these pop-ups by windowsafe.com and if you click on this renew subscription button, as I said, you may be redirected to some other deceptive resources, and their mission is to make you download and install some other software. Of course, this method to promote software is not decent, this is not fair, and this is the example of typical online scam. Therefore, do not ever interact with these pop-ups. What we recommend you to do is to, first of all, check the control panel of your computer. In case you find any suspicious programs here on the list, uninstall them. So right-click on them and uninstall them. We also recommend that you check your available browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools and Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here on the list, get rid of them. Finally, we recommend researching your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install it, and begin researching the system to detect and delete all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.